There's a tugboat down by the river, don't you know? Where the iconic bridge is coming soon. Good morning. Happy Sunday to y'all. Henry McClure live. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, this was the old Schlotzsky's building, right? Right across from the Evergy Plaza, which is a beautiful place. I like the Evergy Plaza, I do. My client that bought this is going to definitely live upstairs, all right? A lot of work to do on this. Hey, I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm negotiating with him to put a sign on there for McClure Real Estate. Oh, that's funny. But he's thinking maybe we should rent the bottom out to a restaurant or to an office or something. It's so hard. I mean, I just don't think there's a market for it. Because the really, so much is changing with the office market due to the federal government finally doing the right thing, kicking the people out that aren't working. Let me know if you think you want to need some space down here. Give me a holla. I personally, if I'm this guy, I'd put my office downstairs and live upstairs and I'd be done. We're trying to figure out, we got to redo the electrical. It's a shame we have to go through only one contractor to get the electrical fixed. Plus, I think I found a conduit that it's the answer. But anyway, nothing's easy in this T-town. I just hope this selective picking of the contractor just isn't one of the things that makes it financially. We ought to be able to submit a contract to do the trenching, to do the electrical, and if you want to give your contractor first right of refusal, that's fine, but I don't like the inside deal. This is the town of the inside deals. I'm going to write some core requests today. I should be in church. I could catch the 8:30 at Grace. You know, they'll let you go to church like this. God is a forgiving dude or woman, whichever. You'll never know that one till the end. Anyway, it's going to be a beautiful day. I'm getting all the free vitamin D I can. Enjoy your Sunday.